Equals, is your Dell Latitude not turning on? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This problem can be caused by a dead battery, faulty power adapter, or internal hardware issues. Our team checks these components to identify the exact cause and then proceeds with the necessary replacements. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.